Hello, my name is Tanushraj and currently I am pursuing BTech from Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Engineering. Before joining BrainMentors, I have been doing my training from online platforms, YouTube and all. And when I listen about the training going on and it was sponsored by BrainMentor, I thought it would be beneficial for my skill development, so I joined it. About learning experience, it was really nice, and it was because of the teachers, they were very frank. It was very easy to learn many of the things. If I talk about the improvement, I've learned many things. For example, backend and many things, deployment and all. So I think that's all come in my improvement. Yeah, thank you.